Here is a picture of our scenario. As you can see, Sadie's kite is getting very close to the side of her house. We know she has 200 feet of string, but we want to figure out how fast she needs to let out the string if the kite is approaching her house at 10 feet per second. In order to find this, we're going to be using related rates. First and foremost, we need to state the conditions. We want to find the rate Sadie should let out the string, or dy dt, if s equals 200 and dx dt, or the rate the kite is approaching the house, is 10 feet per second. Because Sadie, the kite, and her house form a right triangle, we know that x squared plus y squared is s squared because of the Pythagorean theorem. That means that x squared plus 100 squared feet squared equals s squared. From there we take the derivative of both sides as shown here. Because 100 squared feet squared is a constant, that leaves us with 2x times dx dt equaling 2s times dx dt. Solving for ds dt, we find that ds dt is equal to x over s times dx dt. Now we know that s equals 200 feet, but using Pythagorean theorem to solve for x, we find that x equals 100 root 3 feet squared when s equals 200 feet squared. And because dx dt equals 10, ds dt when s equals 200 feet equals 100 root 3 feet over 200 feet times 10 feet per second. That leaves us with a final answer of ds dt equaling 5 root 3. That means that Sadie will need to let out roughly 8.5 feet of string per second in order to not hit her house.
Created using Powtoon.